In this video, I'll show you how to remove green screen in Canva. So this is a green screen video. You can see this is a green screen video and I need to remove the background of this green screen video. How we can remove the background from a green screen video using Canva. First, to remove the green screen from the video, first click the video and you will find BG remover. Click here and it will remove the background, green screen background from the video. Now you can select your own background. So let's see. I want to set this as my background. I want to set this video as my background. So now we'll see. So this way you can remove background from any of the green screen video using Canva. Now let's see how we can remove the green screen from an image. This is my green screen image and I want to remove the green screen from this image. Just select it and click BG remover. So now my green screen has been removed from the image. I can now set a background. So let's see. This one is my background and I'm setting it as my background. So this way we can remove green screen in Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, ask me your question in the comment. I'll read and reply your comment. Thank you so much.